What's up everybody, Mikey Cologne here, and I am sweating bullets because right now I'm at the Westover Air Base in Chicopee, Massachusetts for the Great New England Air Show. I figured it'd be a cool thing to do with the family and a cool thing to do for Steemians. So since we're in a military air base, there is like zero shade unless you go to one of these tents. So right now we're in the Warbird section. So we have some vintage planes and we have some planes flying over us right now. Yeah, so it should be pretty cool. There's like a giant military plane over there that's open to the public. And we got this silver plane right here, which looks pretty cool. And it should be a fun day of shooting. I have a 70 to 200 millimeter lens. I know going into this is not gonna be enough to get the planes in full frame, but we're gonna work with what we have. So I also bought an ultra-wide 16 to 35 millimeter lens. I'm not sure if I'm gonna use it, but when you go into car shows or air shows, a good thing to do is instead of trying to get the whole shot, you can focus on the details, especially when there's tons of people, ruining your shot. So it should be an interesting day. It's gonna be a hot one as it is like 90 something with the humidity. And again, there is no shade, so I'm gonna be pretty much frying all day.